The BLUETTI Charger 2 is a versatile charging solution designed to meet the power needs of various devices while on the go. With a robust output of 1200 watts, it aims to provide a reliable energy source for both recreational and emergency situations. This review will explore its key features, potential uses, and overall functionality, allowing you to determine how it might fit into your lifestyle. One of the most notable aspects of the BLUETTI Charger 2 is its dual input capability, which allows it to be charged via both a car alternator and a DC-DC charger. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who spend extended periods in their vehicles, such as campers, RV enthusiasts, or even individuals who rely on mobile power during long road trips. The flexibility in charging methods ensures that users can easily replenish the unit's battery without being constrained to a single source. In terms of design, the BLUETTI Charger 2 is compact and portable, making it a convenient choice for travel. It boasts a rugged exterior that is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor activities, while still being lightweight enough to transport easily. Additionally, the unit comes equipped with multiple output ports, including USB and AC outlets, allowing for simultaneous charging of various devices. This multi-port capability can be advantageous for users who have several gadgets requiring power, such as laptops, smartphones, and cameras. For everyday use, the BLUETTI Charger 2 can be integrated into various scenarios. For instance, it can serve as a power source during camping trips, enabling users to charge essential devices while enjoying the outdoors. It can also provide backup power during unexpected outages, ensuring that critical devices remain operational in emergencies. Furthermore, the charger can be utilized for mobile workstations, catering to professionals who require reliable power access during their travels. In conclusion, the BLUETTI Charger 2 presents a practical and efficient charging solution for those in need of portable power. With its dual input functionality, robust output, and multiple charging ports, it stands out as a reliable option for both recreational and emergency use. Whether you are an outdoor enthusiast or someone who requires backup power for everyday devices, this charger may serve as a valuable addition to your equipment.